gratitude for the body. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Let the body be supported. Close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes gazing to the horizon. Inhale, slow through your abdomen, and exhale. The slow inhalation and long exhalation. Let your body relax. Let your body get soft, but with the structure. You are safe. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. Silently acknowledge them. Now, your legs supporting you. Next, your abdomen. Breathing for you. Next, your chest, where your heart is beating. Your hands and arms, your face, and your mind. Remember, there's no need for words, just acknowledgement and recognition. Feel the entire body working, supporting, alive. This is your vehicle for which you experience life. This is the only vehicle that you will have. Take a deep breath into your abdomen and abide now in appreciation alone. And when you're ready, let the energy from your head settle into your heart, and the energy from your heart settle into your lower dantian or abdomen, and wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.